Hello, my name is Daniel Yuck. Thank you for watching today. I appreciate your time and support. In today's video, I would like to dive into an in-depth review and unbox this tattoo machine called the P3 Pro tattoo machine from a company called Easy Tattoo Supply. I will leave my Amazon affiliate and other affiliate links for you in the description and in a pinned comment so you can check out the gear featured in this video on your end. Should you have any questions about anything that you see or hear throughout this video, I'm going to encourage you to drop a comment down below. I will do my absolute best to assist you in the best possible direction. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and ring my bell, as I will be bringing more reviews and videos like this for you all. I do also have social medias under the same name as my YouTube. I have Facebook, Instagram, X, and TikTok, all under Daniel Yuck. I would appreciate the support over there as well. With that being said, let's get right on into this. This right here is the P3 Pro tattoo machine, which is a multi-stroke tattoo machine. I'm going to go ahead and show you all the box, and we're going to take a look at all of the content, test out the performance. By the end of this video, you will know what to expect from the P3 Pro tattoo machine from Easy Tattoo Supply. Here is the box, so let's take a look at that. Here is the side. You can see P3 Pro. It is a wireless multi-stroke tattoo machine. And here's this side. I have the matte red version. I would also like to personally thank Easy Tattoo Supply for sending me out this tattoo machine to do an honest review for you all. It is greatly appreciated. I thank you for the opportunity. Let's take a close-up look at what comes within the box. So you can see this is the box right here, and it's actually wrapped with a slip. So this is the slip that comes off. And this is the box itself. The box does have a textured design, so if you run your fingers over it, you can definitely feel texture, and you can see it right there. Allow me to zoom in. It says Easy Tattoo Supply. So that's a really nice box off the top. All the way around, you can see. Let's take a closer look at the contents inside. So this right here is what we see when we open up the box. So we are greeted with a user manual. Let's take a closer look at that. So this says P3 Pro Wireless Tattoo Machine. I'll go ahead and flip through this for you. So here is one side. Feel free to pause this so that way you can read through all the specifications on your end. We will go ahead and get more into the details here shortly. I'm just showing you what comes included within the box right now before we move on to the details. So it has a warranty card, warranty information, and specs about and overviews. You have basic operation and specifications about the tattoo machine. I want to go over some of these specs the P3 Pro has to offer. You can see that it is Bluetooth capable, but it's going to be unlocked in the future, so I'm not going to go over that here in this video. I'll make an entirely different video on that when that update comes out. These are the settings for the screen right here. You have a digital display, you have the battery capacity, the Bluetooth indicator, you have the hertz, voltage, and timer, the power up, power down, power button right there. Now the battery life says working time for 4.5 hours, and it takes 2 hours to recharge. I can pretty much vouch for those time frames. Granted, it is going to highly be determined how you tattoo. So let's say if you line at around 8 volts, then we may fluctuate in time from what's stated here. The higher the voltage, the less time that we're going to have to work. The lower the voltage, the more time that we have. So if we're going to be shading like around 5 volts, then we may get 4.5, maybe even longer. It just depends on how you tattoo. Charging time claims about 2 hours, which I could almost vouch for as well. Nothing stood out about the charging time. It actually charged pretty fast for me on my end, so I would say that's about accurate as well. Here is the basic operations right here. This is pretty straightforward. What I want to do is talk about the specifications, the materials, and the motor, as some of us may be more interested in that. So you can see for the P3 Pro tattoo machine, the motor is going to be an easy customized Swiss motor. The material is going to be aircraft aluminum. We have a stroke length of 2.0 mm all the way up to 4.2 mm. Voltage operation is 5 through 12. However, we saw that it went down to 4 earlier. We do have 6 options for adjustable stroke, which are listed as so: 2.0, 2.4, 2.8, 3.3, 3.7, and a 4.2. We have RPMs right here, switch frequency, needle protrusion, dimensions, and then we have the weight. These are the specifications for the P3 Pro tattoo machine. Here is the overview of the machine. You can see we have a port C type up here, a type C port. We do have a power pack. We have the adjustable stroke knob. The motor is right here, and then we have the grip. As you can see, there are 2 different grips, but this is the one that I currently have. So that's what this is right here. You can see once we move that, we are greeted with the P3 Pro tattoo machine. Let's take a closer look at that. So this is the Easy Tattoo Supply P3 Pro tattoo machine. This is the matte red version. Let me show you a full 360 here. So you can see that the P3 Pro is a multi-stroke tattoo machine starting at 2, 2.4, 2.8, 3.3, 3.7, all the way up to 4.2. I personally am a big fan of multi-stroke tattoo machines, as we can do everything that we need to do, from soft shading, stipple shading, we can do fine lining, we can do lining with 111 round shaders from Ink Claw. The idea though, what I'm trying to say is, whenever we're using a multi-stroke tattoo machine, chances of us being able to do everything with this single machine are through the roof. I like to look at the multi-stroke as when it's lower in the number, such as 2.0 mm of a stroke, it's a softer hit. The higher it goes, the harder of a hit. So you get the idea with that. That's how I look at the multi-strokes. And as you can see, adjusting the multi-stroke on the fly is really simple. Just hold the machine and select your stroke as needed. As you can see, it is a fully wireless tattoo machine. We have power up, down, on and off right here. Allow me to hold it down so you can see the machine turn on. I do have some experience with this tattoo machine. I have used this tattoo machine heavily, and from my experience, I'm in love with this machine. This is a well-rounded, solid built tattoo machine from my personal experience, and I'm going to show you some demonstrations of the performance here as well. Here is the machine running at 5 volts, and it's really silent. And the voltage range does fluctuate from 4 volts all the way up to all the way up to 12 volts even. So we do have a voltage range from 4 all the way up to 12. And you can see that's running at 12 volts and it's still super silent. Minimum vibration as well. It does have a heavier feel to it. However, when I'm holding it, the weight feels nice and balanced, but it does have a little bit more weight than what I'm typically used to holding. But for me, that's really neither here or there. It has a nice feel overall still. Now, I have lined with this machine, I have shaded, I've pat color, I've done everything that I would do in a tattoo with this machine, and it does perform on multiple fronts. It's also click grip, as you can hear. And to remove the click grip, it's going to be as it is any other machine. You just want to keep unscrewing until the grip comes out, like so. This is the build right here. This is the grip. This is where we charge the machine. But this right here is the P3 Pro tattoo machine from Easy Tattoo Supply. What I want to do is take a look at the rest of the contents within the box. So looking further into the box here, it does look as though there's another slit for a battery, but there's not one available. So that's cool there though. We have the battery already plugged into the machine. And down here, it looks as though we get a charging cable along with the power dock. So this is what we're going to use to charge the tattoo machine right here. It's pretty straightforward. That's everything that's included within the P3 Pro tattoo machine box. Just to confirm, you get a charger with a charging dock. You get a user manual with the machine that you selected with the color that you wanted. That is everything included within the P3 Pro tattoo machine box. When it comes to wrapping a multi-stroke tattoo machine, I want to be real meticulous with how I go about wrapping the machine. So what I like to do is I like to select my stroke first, and then I'm going to wrap the top part of the machine and then the bottom. Now typically in the past I would always wrap the top layer over here and then the grip separately, but since this is a multi-stroke machine, that's going to vary a little bit. So how I'm going to go about this is I'm going to use this cling film, this medical film right here, and I'm going to line it up with this line as best I can without crossing over below that line, so that way if I need to adjust the multi-stroke on the fly, I'm able to do so. So I'm going to apply it like so, make sure that I'm sticking the adhesive down and wrapping it around as cleanly as I can, remaining on the top part like so. And then up here, all I'm gonna do is just simply twist it like so until it just closes shut, and I can leave it like that. Now I have this top part of my machine wrapped. I can repeat this process with the grip now, and I can leave this area exposed if I wanted to, or I can put another thinner layer of this medical tape around here. It's going to be to each their own. I do feel like this is good enough right here though, and you can see that I'm still able to adjust my stroke on the fly. So I'm going to approach it this way, where I do the same thing, lining the tape up with the grip and wrapping it all the way around as best as I can. I'm not going for perfection. What I am doing is trying to make my machine as low risk as I can possibly make it. And I think that this is the best way that I can go about it without interfering with the features and performance of the P3 Pro. So when I'm wrapping, I'm trying to consider the features, the performance, and the usability. I don't want to wrap this right here and not be able to adjust my needle depth or my stroke. And then from here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some adhesive wrap and wrap it around the grip for stability and for an extra layer of cushion there for comfortability as well. Simple adhesive wrap is what I'm going to be using. And again, this is for comfort and stability. I'm not really trying to make the grip bigger, as it is a nicer size grip. And I'm going to wrap this around until I'm content with the wrap. That feels much better. And now I am ready to begin tattooing. For those that are worried about this area that's exposed, what I'm going to do when I'm done with my tattoo is I'm going to wipe this down thoroughly with Opticide wipes to cold sterilize the machine. That's how I'm going to go about wrapping. I'm going to leave this area exposed because I need to be able to adjust my needle depth and stroke on the fly. Now what I would like to do is switch on over to a different angle so that way I can share the performance of the P3 Pro tattoo machine with you all to show you the capabilities. Should you have any questions at all, I encourage you drop a comment down below. I will do my absolute best to assist you in the best possible direction. Allow me to conclude the video by reeling some of my final opinions and some insight on how I feel about the Easy Tattoo Supply P3 Pro tattoo machine. From me to you, I'm going to give the P3 Pro tattoo machine a 5 of 5 easily, and for multiple reasons. Some of the top reasons why I give this machine a 5 of 5 is simply because of the performance. It does perform on multiple fronts, from lining, shading, smooth shading, stipple shading. I could fine line, I can do dot work, I can pack black, I can pack color. Anything that I would need to do within my tattoo sessions, I can do with the P3 Pro tattoo machine by simply adjusting the needle depth and the stroke on the fly. On top of the performance, the build of the P3 Pro tattoo machine is solid. I am in favor of the build. I do love the fact that everything is easily adjustable on the fly, and I do love the way the machine feels when it's performing. I do like that it feels very smooth. It has a very low vibration to it and a very low noise threshold as well. That right there is another reason why I would recommend the P3 Pro tattoo machine from Easy Tattoo Supply. Another reason why I am in favor of the Easy Tattoo Supply P3 Pro is because it's really easy to wrap and it's easy to sterilize to go on and move to the next client. All I have to do is break my machine down, remove the grip, and I can wipe everything down with a Cavicide wipe. I could even autoclave the grip should I choose to do so, or I can wipe that down and cold sterilize that as well. So because of the performance, because of the build, and because of the maintenance, I'm going to give the P3 Pro tattoo machine a 5 of 5 easily. It does perform on multiple fronts. It is a machine that I would recommend you checking out. Should you have any questions at all about anything that you saw or heard throughout this video, I encourage you to drop a comment down below. I will do my absolute best to assist you in the best possible direction. I will leave my Amazon affiliate links and other affiliate links for you in the description below so you can check out the gear that was featured in this video on your end. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and ring my bell, as I will be bringing more videos like this for you all. I do also have social medias under the same name as my YouTube channel. I have Facebook, Instagram, X, and TikTok, all under Daniel Yuck. I would appreciate the support over there as well. With that being said, I appreciate your time and I thank you for your support. You have a great day.